Okay, here let's talk about the complex number. I was not planning to make this video, but some people actually requested this, so I will just record a short video here. So here, what is complex number? It's simple. It's just real number plus imaginary number. Imaginary number. So this one should have form like a plus bi, where if you look at this, a is going to be a real component and bi is going to be your imaginary component. So here, let's do one by one. Do you see this one here? Positive one? It should be easy, because if you distribute positive, nothing changes. You're just adding them. So it's going to be just negative 11 plus 3i plus 9 plus 2i. And let's do combining like term. Negative 11 goes with positive 9. So negative 11 plus 9 should be negative 2. 3i should go with 2i. 3 plus 2 should be plus 5i. One thing that you have to be careful is always when you're doing it, real component comes first and imaginary component comes later. Next question. It's easy as well. Just you see here negative. If you distribute, just sign is going to be flipped. It's going to be negative 2 minus 6i. And it's easy now. 7 goes with negative 2, which is going to be positive 5. And then negative 2i will go with negative 6i. So negative 2 minus 6 is going to be negative 8i. And that's going to be the solution. Ooh, I'm rushing through here. Here, it's even easier. 3i, we have nothing to do with this, so we just drop it down. If we distribute positive, nothing changes, so it's going to be plus 2 minus 3i. But here, if we distribute negative, that changes something here like this. Don't forget, negative times negative becomes positive here, okay? So let's do one by one. Oh, it's so easy to do 3i and negative 3i first, but it's going to be confusing if you do it because most likely you're going to put I first. So let's do plain number first. Positive 2 goes with negative 9, which will give us negative 7. And next, 3i goes with negative 3i, which gives 0, but plus on adding 3i is going to be plus 3i. So easy like this. So here, you try one and check for understanding. Try it by yourself. It should not be a problem. But here is the 3 questions that you might need. Do you see this negative 3? It's so simple. If you distribute, it's going to be negative 27. Negative 3 times positive 2 is going to be negative 6 and I. And that's it. So easy like this. Second one, we have to use FOIL here because there's a multiplication sign here. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. 3 times positive 2i is going to be 6i. 2i times negative 1 is going to be negative 2i. 2i times 2i is going to be positive 4i squared. And here's the one thing that you have to notice. I squared is equal to negative 1. Which means this one is actually 4 times negative 1, which is negative 4. So let's rewrite it here. So it's going to be just negative 3 plus 6i minus 2i. I just copied down here, top above. But this one is going to be negative 4. Maybe that's going to be the most confusing part. If you don't understand, just play it back. Negative 3 minus 4. This will become negative 7. 6i minus 2i is going to be plus 4i. And that's what you do here. Here, last question for today. I mean, maybe I will do one more question, but this is the last concept. Now, do you see here squared? Just do not ever distribute here because that's wrong. Because of this plus sign here, what you have to do is you have to split it into 2. Because it has a 2, you are gonna put negative 5 plus 3i twice. And it's same. FOIL, negative 5 times negative 5 is 25. Negative 5 times 3i is going to be minus 15i. Again, 3i times negative 5 is going to be negative 15i. 3i times 3i is going to be positive 9i squared. And again, here, I squared is going to be negative 1. So this is going to be just, this will become negative 9. If it makes sense to you. So let's combine one by one. 25 minus 9 is going to be 16. Negative 15i minus 15i is going to be negative 30i. And that is going to be our simplest form here. So we are done here. Now rest of them, do it by yourself, except this. I think this can be a bit confusing to you, so this I will go over it. Here, negative 2i times negative 2. If you distribute, that's going to be negative 4i. Negative 2i times negative 3i is going to be positive 6i squared. And again, I squared, that's going to be negative 1. So this is going to be negative 6, okay? So your solution is going to be just this, negative 4i minus 6. But again, you want to put real component first. So it should be negative 6 minus 4i. I hope this video helps. Though I believe you guys already understand all this concept because you guys are my masterpiece geniuses. Bye.